In today's video, I'll show you how to install a trainer for Witcher 3 Wild Hunt to unlock features like ultimate health, gold, and gameplay tweaks. Check my video description for this site link. Scroll down, select the latest version, select the link, and it will start downloading. Once download done, double click on the exe and select the yes option, and you must launch the game. Once you are in game, press the Alt tab and open the trainer. In trainer, you can enable these options if you like: infinite health, infinite stamina, and for changes to show you guys, I'm gonna change this date time plus 1 hour. Select the apply to get changes. As you can see, the trainer is working, and super speed. Just gonna turn on and show you guys some speed. And I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.